Hello. Namaste to all. I Sangita Patel. Welcome you all to our own Divine Healing channel. We hope that all have been watching, liking and sharing all our videos to increase awareness amongst you all, and thank you all of you for doing it. And we on this side also promise you to always bring some valuable topic. With this, I would like to start today's video. Once there was a businessman who had an idea to start his new venture. In order to set up his factory, he started searching for a place. He was looking for an area near to a waterbody with less population. After a few months of struggle, he did find a place according to his requirements in a small district of Madhya Pradesh. On his way to the village, he came across a river. The village was on the opposite shore and he had two options to reach the village. The first option was to drive his car across the borders of the river, which would take him around 2 hours. And the another option was to take a boat across the river and to reach the village, and this would take him only half an hour. With an intention to save his time, he called a boatman and parked his car near the river. On stepping on the boat, he observed that the boat is too small and can accommodate only 2 people. Also, the boatman was shabbily dressed. After a while, he decided to start the conversation and asked the boatman if he knows him or not, to which the boatman replied that he doesn't recognize him at all. The businessman was astonished by his reply and asked if he reads newspaper or not. The boatman replied that he is illiterate and has never read any book or newspaper, and explained that his father had died while he was still a child, and because of the same reason, he was pushed to earn a living at a really young age. So he had to quit his schooling and start working. The businessman now smiled with arrogance and started making fun of him and said that he has come to set up a mineral water manufacturing factory. But the boatman didn't know what is mineral water. To this, the businessman said that there will be a factory made in the village, which will pack water into bottles and sell it in the cities. The boatman had a confused look on his face and said that he has never been to the city, as he is just a boatman and has no work to deal with in the city. The businessman said, "You don't even know what a city is like." The businessman regretted having a conversation started at first place, as the boatman didn't know anything about him, neither the city. The boatman started thinking that he indeed has not known anything about the world, and neither he is literate enough. Suddenly, deviated with though the boatman rowed the boat towards a rock by mistake, and boat collided with the rock. As a result, the water started seeping into the boat and the boat started sinking. The businessman got worried, and sensing his experience, the boatman asked the businessman if he knows how to swim or not. The businessman, with a fearful face, replied that he doesn't know how to swim. The boatman said, "You don't even know how to swim?" The businessman pleaded the boatman to save him and asked for any amount he wants. To this, the boatman replied, "Don't worry, you will be all right. I know how to swim and even how to save people from drowning." On crossing the river safely, the businessman realized his mistake of judging the boatman. The boatman said, "Every person is a king in his own field. Just because person misses out something doesn't mean he doesn't know anything. Everyone is a warrior in his own situation." This made the businessman numb, and he had nothing to say. So I hope that you guys got the lesson from this story, that never judge or never brag ourselves on others when they don't know what you are doing or on what areas is your specialty, because every person has some gift which God has given, and every person is specialized in their own field. So I hope that you got the moral of the story, that we should never ever judge and we should never ever brag in front of others, especially if they don't know what kind of work we do and who we are. Let me be a little bit simple. As there are different doctors, like there is a family doctor and there are specialists, right? So if you go to specialists, ask them that, do you know how to do heart surgery? They are not going to know because they are not heart surgeons. Same way, we all are. So like this, all of the people have the different talents and they are very talented in their own fields. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. Do share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe to our channel, it really gives me and my team more enthusiasm to make more wonderful videos like this. I would like to say a bit about myself, that I am a Reiki master, I am an angel card and angel practitioner, I am a pathway practitioner, also I am a forensic healing practitioner. I also help people with clinical hypnosis. I am a life coach and my specialty in the life coach is spirituality, relationship and holistic living. So if you want to reach out to me, definitely you can send us an email, and that's the way how you can reach out to me. I would like to say thanks to my team as they are working really hard editing this video and making sure to upload this video every week so you guys can watch this video every week. And also to my friends who really support me in my journey. So till I see you next time, I Sangita Patel, take care, leave us a love, light and everything. Namaste.